What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Nick. So you've been looking for an interface, right? Maybe you've just got started recording or have been recording for some time and just looking for that perfect interface for all of your travel needs and recording on the go, or something that you just need right at home that's perfectly convenient and does everything that you need. Well, today we're going to be taking a look at the Macbook Air 192-6, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion why I think that this is the best interface that your budget can buy. So we have here in front of us the Macbook Air 192-6. It features 2 inputs and 2 outputs, including MIDI as well, so you can use keyboards and whatnot with it, and works with all major digital audio workstations as it is a plug-and-play device. As you open up the box, you're greeted with the instruction manual that tells you where you can find the latest drivers and so on and so forth, as well as the warranty information. And here are the included cables that come with the device. Let's get it right out. Here we have a USB Type-C to Type-C cable, as well as a USB Type-A to Type-C cable. Here on the back panel is your I/O for your MIDI devices, your line level inputs, and your main outputs. And here on the front panel we have 2 high-Z line level inputs, as well as the phantom power switch and the dedicated headphone output. For this demonstration, I'm going to be using Logic Pro X on a 2020 MacBook Air. It's very easy to plug in and install. We just plug it right into the I/O on the back panel and right into the MacBook, and you're ready to go. Mac will instantly recognize that you plugged in the device, and all you have to do is from there turn on the phantom power switch, set your gains, hit record, and you're all set. And the reason why I highly recommend this interface is not only because it's plug and play, but for under $200, this thing supports high-res audio and delivers extremely low latency for the best monitoring experience. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you like my content and want to see more, please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. If you didn't like the video, I guess that other button works too. But I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.